I just had some breakdowns yesterday. I don't think that I am okay. Am I fine? No, I'm not. But no one ever asks. What's the point? No one cares. You're a disappointment, they're declared. I mean, it's the truth. Are they wrong? You're gonna be on your own. There's no point, it's like I'm held at gunpoint. There's a shotgun to my head likewise, or it can be an AK-47. Either way, it's fine. What's the point? I don't see no point. The point of living ceased to exist in my life, in that void of emptiness, in that depressing life. Maybe a change of POV that might help, or maybe try professional help, or maybe even try those pills, those colorful ones on the table. Knife, scissors, sharp edges, you name it, I'll take it. And I didn't break it. In fact, I did something even worse. If you thought of that, then you're right. There's no point, just like I'm held at gunpoint. There's a shotgun to my head likewise, or it can be an AK-47. Either way, it's fine. What's the point? I don't see no point. The point of living ceased to exist in my life, in that void of emptiness, in that depressing life. Shotguns, machine guns, or maybe jumping off a building, or suicide, even drowning. But this shotgun is what I want. There's no point, it's like I'm held at gunpoint. There's a shotgun to my head likewise, or it can be an AK-47. Either way is fine. What's the point? I don't see no point. The point of living ceased to exist in my life, in that void of emptiness, in that depressing life. The point of living ceased to exist in my life, in that depressing life.